This feels so incredibly awkward to wake up and put the microphone on. Wait. It's 7:53 in the morning, and as soon as the clock hits 8 in the morning, I am only going to be able to speak in ASMR all the way until tomorrow morning. So for a period of 24 hours, I can only speak in ASMR. A lot of you guys have been requesting ASMR roleplay videos, which you pretend like a life situation is happening in ASMR, which I was thinking I'm probably not very good at. So I thought instead of that, I should just do real life ASMR, actually go outside to restaurants, go outside to get coffee, to get food. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do, but actually only be able to speak in ASMR to everyone else outside. 7:59, so at any second it's going to be 8 in the morning and I'm gonna have to start speaking in ASMR. Alright guys, so I think the first thing that everybody does in the morning is literally get ready and like I'm gonna brush my teeth, have a shower. I've never been able to hear the neighbors as clearly as right now. I feel like I can hear my own thoughts. Oh wait, I could always do that. I don't know why, but I've got this feeling that I should move very slowly even though only the sound is important. I'm gonna go and have a shower and obviously not gonna film that. I'll see you guys in a second. I don't wanna get the microphone wet. I am officially all showered. I'm gonna brush my teeth. That doesn't smell great, not gonna lie. I've got an idea, we should brush my hair in ASMR. You probably can hear it, wait. I need to put some deodorant on. It's kind of weird, but necessary. Oh, that is not my armpit. I showered, I got all ready, and then I wanted to get dressed, and I just wanted to wear a t-shirt because it's so incredibly hot outside. But I kind of had to hide the microphone, so I duct taped the microphone on my shirt. We're actually gonna go outside and speak in ASMR to people, and I just don't want people to look at me like, oh, he's got a microphone on him. What the hell is going on? Is this a prank video? Which is not a prank video. I've got some almond milk, but it's actually expired, so I've got no way to make coffee at home. This is gonna be so weird, but I think we should go to Starbucks and get a coffee. I wish I could make it at home, but my milk is expired, so there's no way I can escape this. Let's go to Starbucks and get some coffee. Let me put the seatbelt on. It's so freaking hot, but I can't take my shirt off because otherwise people would see the microphone. So we're just gonna roll like this, and I'm gonna be sweating throughout the whole video, and I am so sorry. I'm finally outside, and I can't really hear myself when I'm speaking to you guys, which is the weirdest thing. Starbucks is right behind me. I'm gonna go inside, try to film it from like a safe distance. Could I get a coconut milk latte?
Yeah, do you want it iced or hot?
Ice, please.
Iced, and do you want a small, medium, large?
Large, please.
Large. Anything else for you today? Just one?
Yeah, just one.
It's gonna be $5.35.
I don't think it was that weird placing the order. The lady was very, very nice. I think she probably thought that like I partied too hard last night and I lost my voice. I bet the ice sounds so satisfying. Probably not. Listen to this. I was trying to make sounds with a straw on purpose. Yeah. I'm in the grocery shop right now, and I actually decided that I kind of want to make a lunch slash breakfast, so I'm going to be making some pancakes with some bacon. Maybe this one, because you just need to add water, and you know how lazy I am. I really want to get some waffles, but I don't have a waffle maker. Can you use this for pancakes? So we got some turkey bacon, some fully cooked bacon, and some pancakes. I am so freaking ready to make some lunch because I'm actually very hungry. Oh, was that too much? And now we shake. Oh my god, that looks incredible. They're thick. It's a thick, nice batter. Ooh. I think I might cook this one twice. I'm trying to get a pan and not make too much noise. Let's put the bacon in. Oh shoot, this is burning. Ah, the bacon is literally black. Like we killed it. So here we've got our food and I'm very, very hungry. So I'm just gonna go. This is gonna be the most disappointing one because it's burned. It's so good though. Oh my god. I wanna try the turkey bacon now. It's so good, but it's not crispy at all. It's really good, but a little bit disappointing in terms of crunch. Double bacon. I forgot to bring like a spoon or a fork. My neighbor is just looking at me. Oh my god. I've been doing some emails and just like editing some videos that you guys are gonna see in the future, but it's really weird because I feel so oddly relaxed. Usually I'm freaking out because I'm very, very late with editing this video, but I'm not stressed. I think that's what ASMR is supposed to be like, and I can really understand how this makes people relax. It is finally dinner time and I feel like I've been waiting for this moment the whole video because I've been craving Taco Bell so freaking bad, and that's exactly what we're gonna be having for dinner. So we're gonna go into Taco Bell, try some of these crunchy tacos that I think it's gonna be so satisfying on ASMR, like crunchy food. My first option was going into Taco Bell drive-thru and trying to place my order, but it's so difficult to understand each other on drive-thru normally. Now imagine on ASMR, it would just be impossible. It will be so loud inside and also so incredibly awkward to go inside and place like a long order. So what I did was I wrote it down on a piece of paper. So I'm just going to hand it to him and hopefully he's going to understand that this is what I want. Alright guys, so I've got my order. Okay, let's do this. Oh shoot. Oh no. It's closed. Oh no. It was so stressful to get this food because basically Taco Bell closed, so only the drive-thru was open, and And where have you been my whole life? Holy schnitzel. It's a taco inside of a taco. Let's give it a try. Wow. Oh my god. I got so excited that I nearly talked in a normal voice. It's a lot of bread, but it's pretty damn delicious. It's kind of a shame that it's not crunchier, but I think it's because I waited too long before eating it. So here's the part in which I'm actually disappointed because they didn't have the cinnamon twists, but they had these cinnamon delights, which I'm not sure if I've tried this before, but let's give it a try. Oh my god. Cinnamon twists. Oh, these are actually kind of better. I freaking love Taco Bell. I know before in my videos I said that it wasn't my favorite fast food place, but that actually changed. I think these new Doritos tacos make all the difference. I would come back for this a million times. It's later at night and it's not really time to go to bed yet, but I'm kind of tired of having the microphone around. I feel like someone is spying on me. I feel like I want a big brother, so I'm just gonna go watch some TV and just relax, and that's basically it. If I make it through the night, if I sleep for around 8 hours, I will wake up at 8 in the morning and I would have successfully made it 24 hours in ASMR, which is really bizarre to be doing in first place. If I see you guys next, it means that I've successfully completed the challenge, so... Oh my god, my voice has never ever sounded more annoying or loud in my entire life. It's so bizarre. But we successfully made it 24 hours in ASMR, which was actually very difficult. I think dinner was the most difficult part because only the drive-thru was open, and if it wasn't for my camera guy, like, I would have never been able to place the order. So obviously there was food in it, but this wasn't really a food challenge. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it still. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you support my videos and if you support when I do different things, different weird challenges. This was definitely a bizarre one. So hopefully you guys had a good time. I love you and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.